Generally, it's the females that give higher responses to vaccines, that's antibody responses to vaccines, than males. And the reasons for that, scientifically, have barely been explored or understood. Biological reasons why this might be the case, and these are really a matter of debate at the moment, but not many people are studying this in any detail. What we know is that there are many immune response genes on the X chromosome. Now, women have two X chromosomes and males have an X and a Y chromosome, and because of that, we'll get different levels of expression of those particular products from those genes. And there's many, many different types of immune response genes that are on these X chromosomes. There's also substances called microRNAs, and those actually alter the way in which genes are expressed. And again, many of them are X-linked on the X chromosome and can alter the immune system. The other thing that probably causes these differences in vaccine immunogenicity is the sex hormones, things like estrogen and testosterone. And very broadly speaking, estrogen has more immunoinflammatory effects and can improve responses to infections, whereas testosterone can suppress the immune system a little more. And so probably then differences in estrogen and testosterone and other hormones in the body between the sexes also will influence vaccine responses. You would think that that wouldn't actually affect children, young children, because they obviously haven't reached puberty. But in fact, if you look at a young child, males actually have a testosterone surge at around 2 to 4 months of age, which coincides when they're getting all their intensive vaccines in early life. And females have higher estrogen levels than the male infants for the whole of the first year of life, more or less. And therefore, this again would lead to differences, hormonally driven differences in vaccine responses. So it's not just vaccines, infectious diseases, susceptibility and outcomes are also different between the sexes. So we also know that the immune system changes throughout the menstrual cycle, and again this is due to sex hormone fluctuations, and therefore you would predict, although I don't think anyone's really studied this in detail, that at different stages of menstruation your vaccine responses may well vary. I don't know if that is the case, but that would be my prediction.